some questions. So what is the time in 6 plus time zone when it is 5 p.m. in plus 10 time zone? So let's find out the answer for this. You have to understand that the plus 10 time zone is located in which hemisphere? Yes, according to the map, what you can say about the, yes, plus 6 is located in the eastern hemisphere. Or we can say it is a east longitude. So can you please refer to the map 2.1 in page 21. So you will get the answer. So check the variation of time. So 6 plus plus 6 time zone is located in which longitude? Plus 6 time zone?
It is located in the 90th longitude.
Yes, 90th longitude. So as you can see, you have to find the time in that longitude, and there is a information given in this question. What is that information? Plus 10 time zone. What is the time?
5 p.m. 5 p.m. 5 p.m.
Yes, so the time is 5 p.m. So what you have to do is you can quickly draw this in a sketch so you can get a better understanding. So the plus 10 time zone is 5 p.m. So you are traveling from plus 10 time zone to plus 6 time zone. So what it means, you are traveling east towards west. So earlier we discussed, if you are traveling from east towards west, what you have to do?
You gain a day. Minus.
No, that is about international date. Forget that for that for a minute and consider about this.
Hours.
Yes, yes. Whether the time increase or whether the time decrease.
Decrease. Decrease.
Yes.
Decrease.
So yes, that you remember. From east to west you are traveling, so it means the time decrease. So first what you have to do is you have to write the first plus 10 time zone. Time is 5 p.m. So we have to find the plus 6 time zone. So time decrease toward west by 1 hour for each time zone. So first you have to calculate the difference between two time zones. So you are traveling towards west. So you are in plus 10 zone and you are back to plus 6 time zone. So what is the difference between two time zones?
15
1
hour.
Yes. So you are located in plus 10 time zone and you are back and you want to find the answer for plus 6 time zone. What is the difference between hours? I'm not talking about longitude.
4 hours.
Yes, the difference is 4 hours. Okay. So you know the time in plus 10 time zone, it is 5 p.m. So subtract that 4 hours from 5 p.m. So you will get the answer as 1 p.m. So that is the time for plus 6 time zone. So that's how you do the maths. So what you have to do is you have to first identify which directions you travel. So it is east towards west. Because of that, we have to subtract that 4 hours from 5 p.m. So you get the answer as 1 p.m. So the answer is 1 p.m. Okay. So there is another question. What is the time in plus 4 time zone when it is 2:30 p.m. in minus 6 time zone? So what is the time in 6 minus time zone?
Okay. Dear, so we have to
Yes.
minus
Yes.
Minus 2.
Yes. What is the time for minus 6 time zone?
minus 10.
It is given in the
Minus
question.
10 hours.
Yes. What is the time?
Minus 10 hours.
2:30
Minus 10
p.m.
hours.
Yes.
So
But
that
you have to
2:30 a.m.
first you read the
Minus
question. So minus 6 time zone, the time is 2:30 p.m. Okay. So what you have to do is you have to find the plus 4 time zone. Okay, so if you don't understand to do it, if it is hard for you to do it, first you can find the Greenwich Mean Time. So if it is -6 time zone, the time is 2:30 p.m. First you need to find the Greenwich Mean Time. So what you have to do is this 6 time zone, 6 minus time zone is located in the western longitude. So if you want to find the Greenwich Mean Time, what you have to do is you have to travel to the east part. So you are traveling west towards east. So it means the time, what is the concept that we learned earlier? So if you are traveling from west towards east, what will happen? The time is a slide that I explained you earlier, this one, okay? See? Okay. First you quickly go through with this. Read the rules to be aware when calculating the time of a country. First, what you have to do? Yes, read.
Know the Greenwich time.
Yes, Greenwich time. And second?
Know the
Know the
longitude.
latitude which passes through the relevant country.
Relevant country. And third one?
Know whether
Know whether the longitude belongs to east or west.
Okay. So if it is a yes, so if it is a west longitude, what you should do?
gain 1 hour each.
Read what is in the slide. Yes. If it is a west longitude, what you have to do?
Towards east by
What
1 hour
Yes.
for each
So the
time
time
zone.
decreases towards
that
west by
is
1 hour for each time zone. Okay. So if it is located in east, what you should do?
Time
you need to
decreases
add
towards
one
east by 1
hour to each
hour.
time
and 1 hour by each time zone.
Okay. So what you have to do is you have to remember this. So if it is located in the western longitudes, what you have to do is time decrease towards west. But don't remember it like the western longitudes. Always remember the direction. Okay. So draw it. If you have the information to calculate a specific questions, what you have to do is you have to draw it. So the plus 4 times, see the picture. So the plus 4 time is located in the eastern hemisphere, and you have the time for 6 minus time zone, which is 2:30 p.m. So the 6 minus time zone, the time is 2:30 p.m. So what you have to find is the plus 4 time zone. So it means from -6 time zone, you are traveling to the east. So always check the arrow. So what you have to do is you are located in the -6 time zone, and you know the time in the -6 time zone, the time is 2:30 p.m. So you are traveling towards east. It means but if you are traveling from west to east, what will happen? Yes, if you are traveling from west
West
to
to
east.
you should add
east, we will
the
gain
Yes,
hour
hour
each
you
time
should
zone.
add the hour. So you should add 1 hour. Each time zone you will add 1 hour. So that's what happens. So 6 minus time zone is equal to 2:30 p.m. So first you have to find the Greenwich Mean Time. So in order to find find the Greenwich Mean Time, what you have to do is you have to add 6 hours to 2:30 p.m. So what is the time in Greenwich Mean Time? What is the Greenwich Mean Time?
It is 8:30 p.m.
Yes, it is 8:30 p.m. So next they are asking about the plus 4 time zone. What is the time in the plus 4 time zone? Again, what you have to do?
you need to add 4
You have
hours.
to add 4
Add
hours.
Yes,
4 hours.
again add another 4 hours to 8:30 p.m. So what is the time in the plus 4 time zone?
12:30
p.m.
12:30 p.m.
12:30
Is
a.m.
it a PM or AM?
AM.
a.m.
12:30
Yes, it is AM because
AM.
yes, it is not PM, it is AM. Okay, remember. So the Greenwich Mean Time is 8:30 p.m. So Greenwich Mean Time is 8:30 p.m. So again you have to add another 4 hours. So you will end up in 12:30 a.m. Okay. So always check this information with the way that I gave you a slide. That is what you need to consider when you do this kind of maths. So what you have to do is you have to remember these information. So this is very important. First you have to get all the information and draw a small sketch, so you will get a better understanding about this. You first have to determine whether it's going to go towards west or east. So this arrow is very important. If the arrow is traveling from east towards west, you have to decrease time, and if the arrow is pointing towards yes, the arrow is pointing towards west to east, it means you have to add 1 hour to each time zone. That is there. So what you have to do is you have to study these things. So it will be easy for you to do the maths. Okay. So there is another question. So Tokyo city is located in 140 degrees east, and now the time is 10 a.m. So what's the time in Sri Lanka? Colombo city. Okay. So what is
sorry,
the
we
Tokyo?
find
Yes.
the time zone.
Okay. Tokyo city is located in 140 degrees east. Okay. So this is
What is
140 degrees. Yes.
plus 9 time zone.
Yes. Okay. So check with the map. It is in your page 21. So check what is 140 east longitude means. What is the time difference in 140? So that is not in the in between 135 and 150. Okay, so we don't know the exact location. Let's find out the time by using the information we have. So the Tokyo city is located in 140 east longitudes, and now the time is 10 a.m. So where is Sri Lanka is located? What is the longitudes where Sri Lanka located? Earlier we discussed. Sri Lanka is located
Lanka
in
is located in the 80th longitude.
yes, 80 is longitude. So you know that Sri Lanka is located in the 80 east longitude. So the Tokyo city is located in 140 east longitudes. So first you have to find the difference. So you find the difference as 60 degrees. So it takes 4 minutes to travel between two longitudes. What you have to do is, therefore you have to multiply 60 by 4. So you get the answer as 240 minutes. So this is in minutes. So in order to convert minutes into hours, what you have to do is you have to divide 240 by 60. Yes. Yes, so you get the answer as 4 hours. So the time decreased toward west by 1 hour for each time zone. So it is located in 140 east, that the Tokyo city is located in the 140 east longitude. So Colombo is located in which longitude?
80th longitude.
80 degrees east.
80th longitude. So what you have to do is the arrow is in which direction?
From
Minus
east to
side, west side.
west. Sorry, west
Yes,
to east.
minus
West
time
to
is
east.
true, but I am asking you in which direction you can see the point of the arrow?
East to west.
Pointing to the
Yes,
west.
east to
East
west.
to
West.
Yes. So if it is traveling from east to west, what you have to do?
We have to lose our each time.
Yes, it means it loses hour. Yes. So you know the time of Tokyo City. What is the time for Tokyo City?
10
10
a.m.
10 a.m. So what you have to do?
We have to minus
decrease
4
4
hours.
hours.
4 hours. 4 hours.
Yes. Okay. So you have to minus 4. So you get the answer as 6 a.m.
6
Yes, that's the answer for this question. So you will get questions like this in your exams. So you have to always remember this slide. Okay, there is a slide that you need to remember. This is easy for you. So okay, what you have, if you the rules to be aware when calculating the time of a country. First, you need to know the Greenwich time. So know the Greenwich time, and then know the longitude which passes through the relevant country, and know whether that longitude belongs to east or west. If it is a west longitude, the time decreases towards west by 1 hour for each time zone. If it is east longitude, 1 hour increases. So always use the information which is in the question, and draw. Try to draw a small sketch. So you will get, so what you have to do is you have to draw the arrow. So by knowing the direction, you will know what to do in the question. So always try to draw a small sketch. So if you get something like similar to this, you can draw. If you get a question, this question is different from this question, the pattern is different, okay? So what you have to do is use the information and draw a small sketch, and you will get to know what you have to do to solve these questions, okay? So these are the 3 types questions that you can have from time. So you'll get something similar to this in your exams, and there is another homework that you need to do. State the specific features of the earth that cause the formation and suitability of life. That is easy, so you can answer what is in your textbook. And the location of the earth related to sun is the main factor that cause the existence of life. Explain this also, that is also easy. State what is known as the rotation of the earth and write its 2 main results. So earlier we discussed. And then the state the time zone Sri Lanka belong to and mention the difference of the time in relation to the Greenwich Mean Time. So you get the answer for this in this slide. So earlier we discussed Sri Lanka belongs to the 5th time zone. So you know the answer. Okay. So name 3 countries that observe the local standard time. So for that, earlier we discussed about the standard time. So you will get the answer for this question from this slide. So all the things in your activity 2.1 we discuss in the class.